How to enable two-step verification on the Telegram app. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open the Telegram application on your mobile device. Once you open the application, go ahead and log in to your account. Once logged in, you'll then be able to find a settings-like icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on it, and once you're inside settings, go ahead and simply tap on Privacy and Security. Inside Privacy and Security, you'll then be able to find two-step verification. Go ahead and tap on it. Then tap on Set Additional Password. Go ahead and simply type in your password, and then retype your password. Once done, tap on Create Password. And then you can go ahead and simply create a hint as well. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and simply tap on Skip. And then you'll have to go ahead and type in your recovery email and then tap on Continue again. And just like that, go ahead and enter the code that is sent to you on your recovery email. Once done, as you can see, the two-step verification on Telegram is turned on. And that's simply how you can enable it. Guys, thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.